Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And looking at a beautiful weekend on the way, already starting out with clear skies, not a lot of fog out there, which is a very nice way to start off Saturday mornings this time of year. And on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not showing any precipitation. So let's zoom into Newport. I'm going to give you the forecast right now for the Newport area this afternoon. I'm not going to make you wait. That's because we have the Great Chowder Cook-Off going on today. WPRI Channel 12, one of the sponsors. 77 degrees. That's going to be your high temperature, mostly sunny skies. I expect these high temperatures to be realized maybe by noontime, an hour or two after that. Then the sea breezes get going, but it takes a while for that to happen. Most likely not until after 2, 3, maybe even 4 o'clock. We'll start to see those winds coming off of the water. That will pull down those temperatures back into the low 70s, perhaps upper 60s by late evening. But overall, a pretty warm, nice day here in Newport for the Chowder Cook-Off. And that's a good thing. It's not going to be excessively humid or excessively hot, which is a very good thing when you're walking around sipping warm chowder. Let's take a look at what I'm tracking. I am expecting the warmest weekend so far this year with a pair of 80s on the way. At least inland will see those temperatures approaching the 80s. Nice beach weekend. Both days will feature a warm start and some late afternoon sea breezes, but holding the 70s for much of the day, so that will be nice if you're heading down to the shore for the first time this year. A warm start to next week, temperature around 80 on Monday. We will start to see the temperatures drop off for the middle of the week with the chance of some showers, but a more summer-like 7-day Futurecast now showing up. Here's a look from Newport Harbor. You can see a few ripples here on the water, 59 degrees, a nice start here at the coast. And we have some sunshine already in the capital city. Providence at 59 degrees, Gloucester 53, Westerly 57, and New Bedford at 56. Winds right now, not too bad. They are actually completely calm in Westerly, and we're seeing fairly calm winds at TF Green, actually completely calm winds. Humidity low enough to prevent that fog formation. Temperatures upper 50s right now, so it's a little bit of a cool start with 52 here in Taunton, 57 westerly. This does indicate that a fairly dry air mass is in place, but here's the good thing about dry air masses. They cool off quickly, but they also, yeah, you guessed it, they warm up quickly, and that's what's going to happen today. High pressure in control. That means not a lot in the way of cloud cover. Now, as some sea breezes get going throughout the early afternoon, I would not be surprised to see a deck of cumulus clouds kind of spill across our skies throughout the early afternoon. But other than that, it will be more sunshine than clouds. Into the noon hour, you can see everybody warming up into the mid to upper 70s. And then by mid-afternoon, 80s here inland from Providence into Smithfield, while the coast will start to cool off a little bit, but not that bad, going down into the low 70s and westerly as we start to see those winds coming in from the southwest. And then overnight temperatures once again dropping into the upper 50s and low 60s. This afternoon, I mentioned those clouds again. Wouldn't be surprised to see late morning into 1, 2 o'clock, some clouds obscuring the sunshine at times, and then mostly sunny as we head into the later part of the afternoon. Temperatures in the low 80s. At the beach, there is a low risk of rip current, so just something to keep in mind. Safe sun time around 10 minutes. The forecast yesterday had a moderate risk of rip current, so it's a little bit calmer out there today, but you still need to pay attention if you're planning on heading into the water, although the water temperatures in the upper 50s, still pretty chilly. 7-day Futurecast shows even warmer tomorrow, 85 degrees. Once again, it'll warm up at the coast until the early afternoon, then cool off into the mid-70s by late afternoon, so tomorrow's a nice beach day. And then that warm start on Monday. Could see some showers moving in Tuesday night into Wednesday. Right now, those showers for the middle of the week, very tricky to time out, so we will keep you updated on that. But nice to see a weekend with 80s on the way.
And with the Chowder Cook-Off, perfect timing.
It's perfect.
It really is.
Syncing up everything, the nice weather, the nice chowder, everything working out.
Like you planned it that way.
Yes.
Pete, thanks so much.
Yep.
We are covering New England for you this morning.